Farewell to traditional pen and paper. There's a fresh avenue to unleash your creativity. The progression of technology in our lives is undeniably captivating, and the capacity to sketch on a tablet is a concept many deemed improbable. Unlike conventional tablets, certain drawing tablets forego screens. Instead, they function as virtual canvases transmitting pressure from the pad to the computer, fueling its operation. These tablets manifest in various guises, ranging from full-fledged computers to rudimentary sketching pads or standard tablets. Regardless of the medium artists work with, they must be open to adapting to the surface. Nonetheless, these 5 drawing tablets streamline the adjustment process. It's worth contemplating these tablets before embarking on the latest chapter of your artistic journey. At number 5, we have the GAOMON PD1161. Not everyone possesses an endless credit line for purchasing desired items. However, the PD1161 from GAOMON presents an exemplary drawing tablet, accommodating diverse budgets. Boasting an 11.2-inch screen, exhibiting artwork in 1080p resolution, coupled with tilt technology, refining pressure sensitivity. This tablet ensures precision and aesthetic appeal. Moreover, its battery-free stylus facilitates uninterrupted drawing sessions, operating on resonance technology. Customization options, including shortcut buttons, further enhance its appeal, making it an ideal choice for budget-conscious designers. At number 4, we delve into the realm of budget-friendly drawing tablets. While there are tablets available at higher price points, the value proposition offered by the H610 Pro is truly remarkable. Its specifications rival those of tablets priced significantly higher, making it a compelling choice for artists on a budget. The stylus accompanying the H610 Pro boasts impressive tilt and pressure control, along with a remarkable 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity. This level of sensitivity is on par with much more expensive alternatives, making the H610 Pro an attractive option for those seeking affordability without compromising functionality. With versatile connectivity options, including compatibility with phones, tablets, Macs, and PCs, the H610 Pro is a versatile tool suited for both beginners and seasoned digital artists alike. Number 3. XP Pen Artist Pro. We explore a drawing tablet designed to empower artists with unparalleled customization options. Similar to renowned models like the Wacom Intuos Pro, this tablet offers a plethora of customization features, allowing artists to tailor their workspace to their preferences with ease. Boasting impressive tilt and pressure sensitivity levels, this tablet delivers performance that rivals or exceeds its competitors. Its standout feature is the generous 13.3-inch display, offering crisp visuals and ample space for creative expression. With the flexibility to be used independently, this tablet liberates artists from the confines of traditional computer setups, enabling creativity on the go. Priced affordably, it offers exceptional quality and precision without breaking the bank. For artists seeking portability without compromise, the XP Pen Artist series presents a compelling option. At number 2, we encounter a formidable contender in the realm of digital artistry, the latest generation of the Apple iPad Air. With its incorporation of Apple's cutting-edge M1 silicon chip, this tablet exemplifies technological prowess. Boasting a stunning 2360 by 1640 IPS LCD panel with a pixel density of 264 pixels per inch and a maximum brightness of 500 nits, it stands as a powerhouse of visual fidelity. What truly sets the iPad Air apart as a top-tier drawing tablet is its seamless compatibility with the Apple Pencil 2, offering artists a smooth and natural drawing experience. While other models in the iPad lineup may offer brighter screens and faster refresh rates at a higher price point, the iPad Air strikes a balance between performance and affordability, making it a preferred choice for many digital artists seeking quality and value. Now, at number 1, we encounter the quintessential drawing tablet, the Wacom Cintiq 16. Widely regarded as the gold standard in the industry, this tablet caters to artists of all levels, from novices to seasoned professionals. Its expansive 15.6-inch glass display provides ample space for immersive and lag-free drawing experiences. Equipped with an anti-glare coating to minimize distractions and enhance the tactile feel of drawing on paper, the Cintiq 16 offers unparalleled precision and control. Featuring conveniently placed express keys and foldable legs for adjustable incline, this tablet ensures optimal ergonomics for prolonged use. Coupled with its lightweight battery-free pen with tilt sensitivity of up to 60 degrees, the Cintiq 16 delivers a natural and intuitive drawing experience, with advanced software features like anti-jitter technology to ensure smooth lines. It remains a versatile and indispensable tool for artists across various disciplines. Best drawing tablets. Buying guide. When selecting a drawing tablet, it's crucial to align with your artistic process, where, when, and how you prefer to create. If you prioritize portability and flexibility, opting for a general-use tablet like the Apple iPad Pro or the Surface Pro 7 might be advantageous. These devices offer seamless compatibility with other gadgets, making them ideal for artists on the move, albeit at the expense of some drawing functionalities and higher price tags. Conversely, if affordability is paramount and you're willing to tackle a steeper learning curve, a graphics tablet could be the answer. These devices typically offer robust performance and versatility. While less portable than their counterparts, they excel in providing a tactile drawing experience akin to traditional pen and paper. Final thoughts on the best drawing tablets. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a budding artist exploring the creative realm, there's a drawing tablet tailored to your requirements. While the Wacom Cintiq 16 stands out for its comprehensive feature set, it's essential to recognize that each tablet caters to a distinct subset of artists. From budget-friendly options that deliver functionality to high-end tablets tailored to professionals, the selection encompasses a range of preferences. Drawing tablets may seem daunting due to their specialized nature, but they're designed to accommodate diverse needs. We hope this guide aids you in selecting the ideal tablet for your artistic endeavors. If you found this information valuable, please consider leaving a thumbs up and sharing your chosen drawing tablet in the comments. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more content. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on future uploads. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, happy creating.